Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C220 BlueTEC AMG Line Premium, finished in elegant white with a sleek black leather interior and a stunning panoramic sliding roof. At the side, it rides on stylish 18-inch AMG alloy wheels with sharp body lines, sculpted side skirts, and a smooth silhouette. That panoramic roof stretches across the cabin, adding a sense of light and luxury. Electric folding mirrors and keyless go add a layer of convenience to its premium appeal. At the rear, the design is clean and refined, featuring LED taillights, front and rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera for effortless maneuvering. The powered tailgate ensures easy boot access, ideal for daily practicality. Powered by a refined 2.1-liter BlueTEC diesel engine, the C220 delivers strong mid-range torque and excellent fuel economy. Paired with the smooth G-Tronic Plus automatic gearbox, the driving experience is both relaxed and responsive. At the front, the C Class impresses with its bold chrome grille, signature LED lighting, and AMG body styling, delivering a commanding, sporty road presence with an executive touch, ideal for city cruising or long motorway journeys. Cruise control adds to the comfort and convenience on extended drives. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a high-quality cabin with elegant finishes and thoughtful details. The black leather seats are heated and electrically adjustable with memory. In terms of technology, this premium model comes equipped with Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and an intuitive infotainment system. In the back, the rear seats offer excellent comfort and space, with quality materials continuing throughout the cabin, perfect for family use or business passengers alike. There's a generous amount of space, ideal for luggage, daily gear, or weekend trips, and it's all easily accessed via the electric tailgate. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 01161 399 1629. Quote registration KM15VDL to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.